The two memories of AI, you've got live search, which is performed by RAG, and you've got parametric memory, which Common Crawl is actually part of the training corpus. And today I'm joined with Stephen Burns from Common Crawl. So to kick things off, can we talk about parametric memory and what that actually means?
Sure. That's the first layer, parametric memory. This is the content that was in the training data before the model's cutoff date. It's baked into the weights. And when the model answers a question that touches this content, the answer comes back fluent. It comes back fast and confident. There's no citations. The model just recalls it from memory.
And then with regards to that, so I'm just going to read a couple of things off here. So what LLMs remember and what they look up, obviously, is the two kind of different. So at what point is it where, okay, I've now got this part of the training corpus versus, oh, I need to go and look that up, perform retrieval augmented perform RAG basically to go and perform the live search. Why sometimes they need to go and do a live search?
It's going to do a live search when it's going to look in its memory. Do I know what this is? Do I know what this product is? Do I know this brand? And if it doesn't know what it is, then it's going to do the live search. Or if it may make a decision. It can make a decision, say, well, I know there's new information on this. Let's also get the current information on this product or brand.
And then obviously, as SEOs of the world and people are looking to try to increase AI visibility or LLM visibility, that could be in ChatGPT or Anthropic or Gemini. Ideally, now, what you should be doing is not just trying to look to rank better within Google, but actually trying to start to get baked in to that training data. So can you explain how Common Crawl, if you increase the CC rank via harmonic centrality, how that can actually help you get part of the training corpus?
So yeah, you're going to want to get good high harmonic centrality links to your site. Those sites that are close to the core of the web, those are usually the most popular brands. You're looking at Wikipedia links, you're looking at news site, high-end, big news site links, those types of sites. And that's going to get you seen more often into the parametric memory.
And then with regards to the parametric memory, because there's quite a lot of people that don't understand properly on there, would you say that it's important for SEOs to be looking at doing both? Because I see a lot of people talking about consensus and trying to get rankings in Bing and trying to get rankings in Google to try to get into the AI overviews or AI mode or ChatGPT. How important and how long does it take if you're trying to get part of the training data for the LLMs to try to start picking it up and updating the training corpus?
Well, the data shows that it can take 6 months to over a year to get into the parametric memory. The crawl comes out and then the LLM may download it a couple of months later, and then when they do their next learning, it can take 6 months for them to actually do all the machine learning to learn it all and then finally publish it. So it's behind at least a year. So you have to also think as an SEO and a geo, how you're working in two channels now. You're saying you're going to be working trying to get into that memory. That's some of your work, working on using HC and getting that ranking, and then your search retrieval, your quick searches that are done inside the LLM. You're gonna work on content on your pages for that, or other ways of doing that.
Yeah.
You're going to notice when you start doing analytics that, somebody will say, well, we changed the page and made it more crawlable and we updated this content. How come it's not showing up? Well, sometimes it may not show up because it hasn't gotten into the parametric memory. And number two, and if it does show up right away and you notice a result, within a month, you're like, wow. Well, that's probably because it was a search, a RAG search.
Yeah, for sure. Anyone who's watching this and you're now starting to understand and maybe dig a bit deeper into parametric memory for LLMs, make sure you check out the link in the description. I do several different episodes with Stephen Burns from Common Crawl. I personally met him out in Vietnam, in Saigon, and I was amazed because I didn't actually realize that Common Crawl was so important for LLM visibility. Another thing is one of the episodes talks about AI visibility audits. Make sure you check that out to see whether you're not blocking CC bot or any of the LLM bots that are out there. There's one also where we can kind of dig deep on the algorithms behind Common Crawl, which uses harmonic centrality. Stephen Burns, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for having you, and I appreciate everything here of you talking. I didn't properly understand the terminology of parametric memory. I heard part of the training data or performing a live search, but the two different memories and how they're starting to do it, it's for me, it's intriguing. I'm always looking to try to increase AI as much as I can with the visibility. So thanks for having you.
Thanks for having me, James.